Hey guys, this is the Helpful Lockpicker here. The video I have for you today is I'm just going to try to speed pick through a bunch of locks and see how many I can get open in a reasonable amount of time. The first one I'm going to start out with is this master lock number 410. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension in 40 thousandths and a standard hook in 18 thousandths. See what it takes to get in. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, a little click there. Okay, that's a little click off a 6 in the back. 1, counter on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what we got. Okay, click on 1 made the false set deeper. 1. I had a little counter rotation off a 6 in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what's going on here. Might be only hung up on one pin here. Let's see, 1 got us open. Alrighty. I'm going to lock this back up though almost immediately because I don't want to turn this into a rattle. Okay. Next up we'll do a Brinks 40mm laminated padlock. This is a 4-pin lock. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension. Standard hook in 18 thousandths will do. 25 thousandths. 1, 2 is nothing, 3 is nothing, 4 is nothing. Let's see. Alright, got a full set now. Counter on 4. Do my second one. One of these definitely has 2 spools in it. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Right down the stack. Now, just for fun, I have a little tiny padlock here. And we got 2 options. 1, stick the pick in, or 2, you can tension it. Whatever you want to do. You can do both parts of the equation here. Let's get the tension wrench in. There you go. Opened up. Next up, let's do the master 570. Clamp that down. And do bottom of the keyway tension. I'm just gonna use my city rake and just rock it open. That's all set. Next up, let's do a master 5.7, I mean a master 140. We're gonna do bottom of the keyway tension, and we're gonna just give it a quick step. Alright, now we're going to work our way back into some security pins. I'm going to use a Kwikset deadbolt. This is a Defiant brand. All these deadbolts have security pins added to them in all chambers. One's good, two's good, three's good. 4 is good. A little click on 4. Something on 5. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Got some feedback out of 5. Now we're going back to 1 that's binding. Got click out of 1. Click out of 2. Starting to get a false set. 3, 4, some clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Alrighty. We are open. Here's the bidding on that one. Okay. Next up, we'll do another deadbolt. Okay. Top of the keyway tension, 50 thousandths again. And another use of the 25,000 suck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another Kwikset lock. Let's see, and some counter rotation on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, we got another little false set. Alright, pin 3, we are open. Here's the bidding on that one. Alright. Alright, let's just finish up all the Kwikset ones. Let's see, we'll finish off these deadbolt ones. We got another Defiant with a Gatehouse key, so we're getting the combo of Home Depot and Lowe's here. Alright. 1. Click on 2. Click off at 3. Nothing on 4. A lot of clicks and some rotation on 5. Let's see. A little click on 1. Then on 2. little on 3, little on 4. 5 put us in a false set. 1 gave us rotation. 2, 3, 4 put us in a false set. 1, 2, 3, 4 put us a little deeper. See what's holding us up. And 1 seems to be binding. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 popped us open. This one's got some decent bitting on it. Lock it back up. Now we got 3 of these little locks, HUD and 1 S Parker. This was from a cheap lock lot. This still uses the Kwikset keyway. I still believe that this is a great way for people to learn security pins, is to just add them up to some easy locks and just pick through them. And then you'll start to get used to them. You know, most important thing is practice. This lock's open, just a little tailpiece there. It's hitting the vise. Alright, now we got the last HUD. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting a click on each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay, a lot of counter rotation on 1. Open this up. Same deal with the tailpiece. We are open. Alright, let's get this locked back up. Alright, here's the S Parker. If these locks look familiar, you/ever sent me a challenge lock made out of one of them. It's from a lock lot we split. It was kind of cool getting it back, brought back to life. Because I'll be honest, when these locks were pinned with their standard pins in them, this felt like one of the worst built locks I've ever had the pleasure of dealing with. Looked like it used key pins as driver pins. One, 2, 3, 4. We are open. Okay, we'll lock that up. So we will finish this off for like the Mortise and deadbolt cylinders with a Schleg. And we got 3 more locks after this one. Click on 1, click on 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got a good full set. Let's see where our spool's at. One gave us some rotation. Two. Three's giving us some rotation. And one wants to be lifted again. Oh. I think I dropped a bunch of stuff now. Two was what it took. Alright, so next up, Master Lock 911. It's a 5-penner with 4 spools, 1 lightly serrated. This lock should be pretty familiar to you by now. Let's see, we're going to do 40 thousandths top of the keyway. Standard hook 25 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, maybe I think I missed 3. No, that one's good. Put the pin in the back. We are open. I already had the. I'm gonna pull that open. Okay. Going to lock that back up. Okay, got the Commando Marine. Gonna use my 40 thousandths pry bar on this one. Okay. Click off a 1. Click off a 2 with counter rotation. Click off a 3 with counter rotation. Click on 4. Nothing on 5 that I could feel. Click on 1, click on 2, click on 3, click on 4. I think I got a little bit on 5, but okay, 3 gave us counter rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 got a click just then, 3 got a click. It's going to reset it. Click on 1, click on 2, on 3, that's on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a false set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, got the false set back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sucks being temperamental. Alright, we got it. So, I've saved the best for last here. This is going to be the master lock number 3. I'm going to try to get this open with a combination of single pin picking and a little zip at the end to finish it off. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so it's just been a quick pick through with a bunch of locks. Give you a little close up on them and just get the vise out of the way here and we can zoom in on them. Let's just see. Alright. So, we got 1, didn't do that one, that was for the vise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is just a fun little way to practice picking. Thank you for checking it out. If you guys got any suggestions for videos you'd like me to make, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you for checking out and hope you have a great day.